Today we're going to be going over zero crescent kicks and how they are going to prep you for your hyper kicks. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be moving on to zero crescent kicks and why they're important for hyper kicks. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your basic crescent kicks. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So zero crescent kicks are basically just the basic crescent kicks that we learned in the last video, but we are adding a jump to them, so they're like jump crescent kicks. And the reason why these are good to learn is because in order to ease you into the process of how hyper kicks work, we're going to have to break them down a lot. And this is kind of like the first, well, technically the second step into breaking down hyper kicks. So let's get into all the kicks that we're gonna need to work on. And if you have your zero kicks from level 1, then this should be super easy. The first move is gonna be a swing zero inside crescent. Second move is gonna be a cheat zero inside crescent. The third move is gonna be a pop zero inside crescent. The fourth is going to be a cheat zero outside crescent. The fifth one is going to be a swing zero outside crescent. And the sixth one is going to be a pop zero outside crescent. And just like any other move in this curriculum, almost any other move, you can add a follow through at the end. You can add a spin in the beginning, or you can do a spin and follow through together. That's totally up to you. We're not comboing these moves. This video is mainly to show you that crescent kicks are an option for any kick that you throw, and obviously mainly for hyper kicks. You can also do them with a straight leg, or you can chamber them. And I do recommend just doing them straight because that's what we're mainly going to be doing when we learn our hyper kicks. As for tips, they're exactly the same as the tips on the last video. Just make sure you're looking up as you kick, try not to look down. And obviously if you don't have your zero kicks, your regular zero kicks yet, you're gonna wanna get those. So visit level 1, get your zero kicks, and then come back here and try this. Or you can leave me a comment down below and I can help you out as best I can. Or you can go on Tricking Tips Tuesdays, whatever you want. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It means a lot, homies. Thank you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe. Next, we're going to be getting into the first hyper kick that we're going to learn. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz.